Kakan hun kinong sengkam hakakam jungok kai perthei mentaka janmit jong ka arphu hunriu tarik unai tung hajar arphu saw kilapan pau kajing penramjur halor kajing khangkali kaseng HNYF halat tengar haba kren chekilat pathai kubor uba alan west uloong ba kajing khangkali jong kiseng bhalang kalong kumbathe peja ya kajing wantuit ki torres syakani ka Jylla bat kapen but nam sniu tang ya ka sora hendra ya ka Jylla hi Baroh Kawei wala ki don ki mat bapher kaba kiseng bhalang ki don ka hok panchim kiai ki hendra ka don karukom
ya syong ne krui mta si ban pau ya kajing so pendit to bakra ba kajing so si ru alor kajing jam ne ba umpoi perhan community ba hakan ni kajing so tunat dengan ni kayo tourism ko jam tala bun snem ya ba baro ni so thu ikata kajing so tunat long halor kajing muntoy bangiyo akan ni kam livelihood kam kajam ka ba kibri yo ba kan kam sakai perthai tinrei kajing ja hne ka long bathe umbuja ya borok khoi ki betre ni kam but bila pan pawe kajing persyak bajur bede bat ka jingle jong ka to seng ka ba syukur thlek kumtum step syubat iki bri stengti ba songsi kalong ba bankong pen iya ka jinglong Khlemakor ka jingle joki na jutep khantam ka to jingja ka de hakhap dop sa sora ka ba pauna nam ka jingdon akor tinrei ka jingle ni to kiseng pan pawe ka jinglong Khlemakor bat ka ai ka image ba sniu ndei syu tang ya ka sora ndei ka state por koi sia ka pthai sabar kumala ong dei ba banlum bantei ya ni ka yo tourism kum lagi bosu chimpor da kisnem mangi batrei kan ka kam ni so thu ba ndei magic musule magic bakan long kum ni we have hope we have slop but kumba kalong kum ni mtahi nganut pan ong ba ka dei jing trace tom gi ki ba ya don pentah kan ka kam ada kilong ki seng hotel ada kibri ki ba bu ya ka kanja kibri ki banyak kali kibri be lam guide semua mustnat kan ka kam sakai perthai mta ka ikam ki local jungi it's all about local livelihood ban yale akai kumni ba kan ka kam kumni long jingja basungsi hoi ki issue ba per ki don ki seng balang ki don la ka jong ka hok ban ris ki concern joki tang ba ka don ka rukom ne ban sube ubri siteng ti kemot kemo ngi pisa sien kapen isi dor ya ka jinglong jongi bat ka reflect ya ka dor ka bas new sya ki we pat ki benta jang ka perthai ha ka jok social media mta pher tuk tiak tang de second kubol apoi keleng ka perthai ya ka buram ka pangiri boros kata ngi chukun spoil tang ka po klip mat mot de ke bas new ha da kerpat nang ni sakhmat ndai tang ya to seng iki seng ru ba pile aku mikini kam na perhat sani perhat jengai ba ka repercussion ka diga benjengai ngayo kol keleng menta na ki thain nong kendong jengi bagi beri lapan pa ka jing Bitar hawi re kan ka jing jam ne si de hok bakin Bitar nomor la tak jak po joki ham tam ha kan ka juk ka ba mo ka bangi perhat man pai kham bha sa ki kam ki bolong sustainable na ong to nya sange no ti mau to nya sange no ti mau syun rei syudon bok ba blei ru da it kerpang kan ni ri khasi jungi bau ai na ko wi jing khu bau ai makan long jaka ka bai tanat de we ni resource ba ibri gila ban sim ko bui kan ni ban kamai kendong jak bo tin rei so thu kan ba ha ba ibri gila le sitom kum ni nga keren ha ko de ba ibri ba invest ha kinong kendong ya kinong kendong ban sim lun silak arlak de kam basuk bapligan rat kila sim lagi lun ban seng ki homestay ban seng ki dukan joki de mungkin ki jingja mut pensier kamai jak po joki tinak tradau da kerpat banang ni sakhmat kumo ong hi ki issue gin mi ki seng balang ki don lagi jong ki hok ban pau ki jing e jong ki le ha kom ko badai berbor ka dong kom ban le kata ban asif yang ngono ke jing ni kan ngono ke jing kwa amde ban shu le jubor kum to ndai berbor hi ke de lemba ke jing keren ke jing suthu bat ke jing pen bet ta ka ba ya suthu lang iwe ni em ha kan ni jaka ka ba wat yu perhat ngi la ban em ban long isolated kin mau hi ba berbor mangi ru dan tablet be mene khon jong aru pule sabar wangi sos marba yo syakta sengi ruki khasi ki basa sabar ke Jylla Meghalaya nak lakdaw nga hi insist pa nang ni sakmat le daga jing sotu bat le daga jing kit kli ba kai baja ni kala ban kata kala yong kerto kala segi student sungi ki basa sabar ke Jylla ka tourism kadai open business open market nga sotu ka hok hi baong la dingi pendon kami ke resource jungi badi ke Jylla jungi sodon hok hi sia bagin kamai shua ki try jungi mo try Jylla tian dai ka ber kom le yun jet yapi te saperhat bahai kani jing ajumot hi nagalian jungi galong ba nang ni sakmat continue ki issue jong pi tang ba burom ko ika jak po juki be te keren ni kani lasai ka sing kan sodon ke Jylla ka bahe ba po like kro ngojrong ti kaba barok hat kistik hullo jong tourism ki bade nong dong kin sai simenta ban penpawi ke jing persia halor ke jing ja bende ski bat ban keren sali kum no ban penti kena ba kum kin ki jing ja nang ni sakmat kum te ban ja shu
all long term impact because these kind of things they don't impact only a short period of time but it is a long term and people come to the state. They plan their holidays coming to the state. They book their flights, they think. So what happens if now the season is coming? Now season is coming, the next 1 to 2 months the season coming and it lasts till the New Year's. And in this season, if they started withdrawing, start going to other destinations, then there will be a substantial loss of footfall in Meghalaya. That is, we are afraid. And once you lose that kind of group in one season, it may occur in other seasons also. So these are the things which we feel that's why we feel that what happened, one action, like whatever happened today, it can create an impact over a longer period, a very long period. And to take that away, and then that is a little difficult for us because we'll have to go a long way. Again, we'll have to go with all the social media, all our marketing strategies. Again, we have to divert everything for this thing.
It has happened actually. It's happened in the previous years. If you recall the other incidents in Ichamati, the other incidents in Motran, we have lost a lot, and it took us a real. It took us so much to recover from these losses, and the normalcy is not there again as it used to be. And tourists, they get frightened, they get scared, and instead of coming here, they're going somewhere else to Thailand, to other places. Yeah. Arunachal is coming up, and then
yeah, because the other destinations are picking up now. So what we are losing now, we may lose for years together because other destinations will take as a good opportunity for them to take away the tourists from Meghalaya and to take to their place. And once tourists are visiting other destinations, it will be difficult for those tourists again to come back to Meghalaya. And then the lots of they're getting good publicity. So then that is what we are afraid of.
One related question.
Yes.
What is your overall larger opinion on the demand for ILP and MRSSA?
That I don't think is easy to discuss here.
Whether it will impact or not, impact the tourists.